Welcome to the part 2 of the video where I show you how I achieve this jumbo bob twist, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Okay, I'm literally reusing this braid extension. I used them to do some box braids and I had the hair for about 1 week, so I was like, before I dispose this hair, let me just reuse it. Okay, so hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yanatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts. Don't forget also to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. I started off by splitting the braid extension, as you guys have seen. Okay, and then I just crochet the hair onto my natural hair. I didn't want to crochet the whole strand as it is because summer will cause tension onto my scalp and I was not ready for that. Okay, so I just went ahead and split it into two, then crochet the hair onto my natural hair. I also set aside a piece of this extension just to add volume onto this twist, and that was all about it, guys. Okay, in the part 1 of the video I show a detailed parting tutorial. So in total I made 13 sections, and I'm going to leave that video in the description box down below. You can always go and check it out. Okay, once I twisted past my shoulder area, I'll just go ahead and grab a piece of this extension. I'm going to use it to secure the hair so that it doesn't unravel, and that was just about it, guys. I'm hoping that you're going to find this video easy to follow, and if you will, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this dark, broke shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. I can get every time I think about you, baby. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm trying to make you my property.
So loves, I cannot continue with the voiceover because of the construction going on around my area. Okay, so there's so much noise that I cannot do this voiceover. But if you have any questions regarding what I'm doing here, please leave them in the comment section down below. And I made a video some time back, talking about my YouTube channel, and the challenges that I face. First of all, I'm very grateful that I have, surpassed the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for every one of you who have subscribed to this channel. So my only challenge right now is to getting to 4,000 watch hours. If you are a YouTuber, you know what I'm talking about. I will really appreciate if you will share this video to your friends and to your family. And please, as you watch the video, don't forget to like. I am on the road to getting my 4,000 watch hours. So if you like the video and if you share it to some other people, your friends and to your family, I will eventually reach the 4,000 watch hour mark, which I'll be very grateful for. So continue watching the video, and I'm hoping that you are going to enjoy it. So this is it, guys, for this video. Thank you all so much for keeping me company. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
Can I tell